Fathers, what's the best way you've messed with your daughter's boyfriend? When my daughter brought her first boyfriend home, I just shook his hand, smiled, and told him to call me sir. But inside, I was already planning my move. I wasn't going to yell or give him the typical hurt my daughter and you'll regret it speech. I wanted to make sure he remembered this meeting for the rest of his life. After a few minutes of small talk, I said, "Why don't you come with me? I've got something to show you." I led him out to my tool shed, where I keep my hunting gear and guns mounted on the wall. The kid looked a little nervous, but he followed me in. I pointed to the wall of rifles and said, "Pick your favorite." He hesitated, so I added, "Go ahead, don't be shy." After a moment, he pointed to one Winchester Model 70. "Nice choice." And I pulled out a box of bullets and started looking through them. "Every rifle has a perfect bullet," I said, like it was a life lesson. I grabbed my carving knife, sat down, and started engraving his name into the side of the bullet. The kid just stood there frozen as I held it up and said, "This one's yours now. It'll be waiting for you if you ever hurt my daughter." I slid the bullet back into the box, locked it away, and looked him dead in the eye. The rest of the night he barely spoke. My daughter kept asking him what was wrong, but he just shook his head. From that moment on, he treated her like gold, and I'm pretty sure he still remembers that bullet.